In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a technical drawing of your cookie cutter. So the first thing that you need to do is to log on to your Autodesk Fusion account. You then need to open up your previous file by clicking File, Open, and finding it in here or in your computer, or if you click these 9 little squares that are in the top left corner, click Home, and then if you find My Recent Data or Admin folder, double click it and you should find it in there. Once you double click it, your cookie cutter should then appear. So at the minute this is a 3D model, but what we want to do is we want to convert it into a technical drawing. So if we click Design, Drawing, from Design, we then need to check that it's in A3 size, and then we're going to click OK. Now it might take a few seconds just to load it up, but what you'll notice is you've got a piece of paper and a circle that appears, or your design. Now at the minute it's too small, so what I want to do is I want to adjust the scale of it. So I'm going to try 1 and then 2. And to be fair, I'm quite happy with that because I can fit roughly 3 circles on the grid. So again, I could try scale 1 to 1, but that's far too big, so I'm just going to stick with 1 to 2. You need to adjust it till it's roughly about a third in size of the actual page. Now at the minute that's saying that it's the front view, but in reality I can't see the design on there. So what I want to do is I want to adjust it and maybe try bottom. It's not that. Let's try top. Definitely not that. Let's try front. Definitely not that. So let's try back. Excellent. So now you'll see that we can actually see that design. I'm now going to click on the page like so. And again, it might take a few seconds just to work it out. Or a bit longer in this. Oh no. Then I'm going to click OK. So for some reason it didn't automatically do it, I had to click OK. Now what you'll notice is you've now got a line drawing of your anchor, but I want to show the different viewpoints. So if I click this here, the projected view, so I'll click that, I click my design, then what you'll notice is it automatically does the projected view for whatever angle I wish. So I'm going to select the top like so, and I'm also going to get should I put it there? The side view like that. And I'm also going to get one at an angle like that. And I'm going to click tick. Now at the minute you'll notice that they all look a bit squished together and I'm not happy with the layout. So if I click the move tool, I should be able to, by clicking that, reposition it where I wish it to be. So I'm going to put that there like so, and now I'm going to reposition this one. I want to make it slightly higher, and then click move again. I'm going to drag that one across like so till I'm happy with the layout. Perfect. Now we're now going to add the measurements onto the technical drawing. So here there's a dimensions tool. So I'm going to left click that. And then I want to click the points that I'd like to measure from. So I'm going to click the left side. It's okay. So I'm going to click that point, and drag up. And I'm going to select this for the height and click that. Drag out and click again. I'm going to do the same for here, like so. And I'm also going to the circle as well, so I'm going to click the outside of the circle and I'm going to click the inside of the circle as well. And then what you will end up with is a technical drawing. Now, normally I'd add measurements to the shape, but because of how complex this shape is, it'd be far too much to do. So instead, I'd just stick to the basic height, width, the measurements of the circles, and then at that point we can print screen it. We can then pop it onto our PowerPoint like so. If I can click it to present it like that. Now another thing that we need to add as well is a rendered version of our CAD model. So if I go back to here, so I've print screened this, popped it on my PowerPoint, go back to, where's it gone? Back to here. So to make it look more realistic, I'm going to go to Design, Render. And what you'll notice is it's got like shadowing, it's got lighting that's added onto it. So if I click this basketball over here, not basketball, sorry, it looks like a beach ball, you can change to whatever material you'd like it to be. So for example, you might want to keep it as plastic, and you might want it as ABS plastic. So if I just click and drag that over like so, if I right click and edit that, I can change it to whatever coloured plastic I want it to be. So in this instance, I'm going to say the blue colour, and I'm going to click done. Now if I click this play button up here, so I'm going to get rid of this and I'm going to click the play button, what you'll notice is it starts to make it more and more realistic. Now this could take about 2 minutes to do. The longer we leave it, the more high quality the actual render is at that point. So once I'm happy with it, again, I'm going to print screen it. I can change the angles as well, and then I'm going to paste it onto my presentation. So what you should end up with is something that looks like that.